I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI version so settings match instructions. Once done, back up any important files. Changes can affect data. Next, open settings and go directly to network and internet. This is where you'll remove data usage entries. Make sure mobile data is visible and that data usage history is not restricted by battery saver. If you need developer options for advanced steps, enable them now, and then return here to proceed with the removal. Now you'll edit app-specific usage. Open data usage and tap each app showing unwanted entries. You can clear their data usage or restrict background access, which removes tracked bytes from future totals. Make sure to reset the mobile data cycle. This zeros monthly totals and prevents old stats from reappearing. Also toggle data saver briefly. Sometimes turning it on then off forces the system to recalculate stats. Remember why. Clearing per app usage stops incorrect billing. Finish by restarting your Redmi so the OS refreshes all counters and UI elements. Once it boots, verify data usage shows the cleared numbers. If not, clear the settings app cache in apps and notifications, then check again. If a stubborn app keeps reporting usage, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is at fault. Uninstall problematic apps. Make sure to back up before any factory reset. That is the last resort and will remove persistent logs and custom settings permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.